Well, hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and in today's video, we're going to talk about this little Christmas gift that showed up on Sunday, which is the 5 off of 20 for the gain over at the Dollar General. And as you can see, we have a Saturday 5 off of 25. Stack those two together, you're getting $10 off of a $25 basket. That is the beauty right there. Couple rules for you guys. Obviously, Saturday, August the 7th, we have the biggest savings with both the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 stacking. Obviously, many of us will be testing it that day to provide all of our findings, but typically they always stack. And basically, it's $10 off of a $25 basket, which is fabulous. Really pay attention when you're in the store. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that the 5 off of 20 certain cents that you're buying, it's attaching with that. These are Michigan prices, so just also keep that in mind wherever you're living in the United States. And not all stores the stack works. So if you've had a lot of problems, perhaps it doesn't work in your store. I know in the Midwest, it's always worked. And if you want to follow my Instagram, here's my name. It's also linked in the notes of the video. I will probably have more information about this specific deal on Saturday moving forward. But sometimes I get so caught up in shopping that I don't really post a video. I just shop on that Saturday at the Dollar General. I will have a ton of information and the best deals. And this little video I'll link at the very end. It's how to use the Dollar General app to make sure that you're grabbing the right products. And if you are going to be going out and doing this deal before Saturday, you won't be able to use the 5 off of 25. That is only on Saturday, so it'll be an extra $5 on your basket also, just to note that. Okay guys, so deal number 1 is 100% digital, and we're going to need these two coupons, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. The 5 off of 20 is a one-time use, so you have up until the 28th to use it. So whatever week really moves you for deals, this one is quite fantastic. But make sure you have both of these loaded for this little deal. Okay, so off of this little bingo chart, we're going to grab an item for $3.95. I'm going to persuade you guys to pick up a detergent because I'll show you the coupon that's attaching with. And then of this larger product, we have to grab one fabric product, so like a fabric softener, fireworks, whatever you want. And then we need these two digitals, one for the detergent at the top, and the second one is for a fabric enhancer. See how generous these are? These expire on the 7th, so that's why I'm saying go and do the deal that week. It's so great. And then we're also going to grab one of these Febreze with Gain air effect, so that's spray. We have $1 digital, and as you can see, we have the $1 there and then the 5 off of 20, so you know you're grabbing the right product. And that 7 off 30, I gotta tell you guys, the last time we made a video on this, it was really confusing, and I think you had to buy more than $30. It was just a mess. Some of you could get it to work, but most of you couldn't, so I'm not even going to factor that in because it was a bit of messy. So let's just not even consider it for this little basket. Okay, so now we're also going to grab two Mr. Clean with Gain. They're $3 each. This one, see how it says Gain Scent? That's the one. And then we have $1 off 2 digital coupon. And then to get the basket right to 20 bucks, we need this guy for $2. The basket is off by, 10 cents or something stupid. So we need this. And then also to get the basket to 25, we need this guy, which is a Chic Classic for $4. And then we have this $3 digital that also showed up on Sunday. So please make sure you have this one loaded. Okay, let's take a quick peek at the math. And this is a really great one, guys. So we have one Gain detergent for $3.95, one Gain fabric softener for $6.95, one Febreze with the Gain Scent air effect for $3 on the nose, two Mr. Clean with the Gain Scent, $3 each, so that's $6. One Gain dish soap for $2. Don't forget that one. And then one Chic Classic razor for $4. So the total for the basket is $25.90. Remember, we only need $20 of Gain merchandise, so that Chic Classic is just perfect to throw something else into the basket. So anyhow, the total is $25.90. As the cashier is scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number into the keypad. When the cashier presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of $20 general coupons are coming off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $6.90 for the 7 items, shaking it out to 98 cents per product. Wow. Okay, so the next couple deals we have is with insert coupons. We're going to need the two cornerstones, which are these two guys, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. So please make sure you have both of these loaded. We're going to grab something off of this for $6.95, 2 of them. We have this coupon from the July P&G. And then we're also going to need 1 item from this. And then we're going to need these 2 digitals for the detergent and the fabric enhancer. We're grabbing one of these products, the Febreze Air Effect with the Gain Scent for $3. And then we have this dollar coupon loaded. So we have like 2 weeks to use it. Wax or sprays, whichever one you want. And then we have the Charmin Essential. This guy is $4.95. So they just messed around the math just to mess with us. And then we have this very generous dollar digital coupon. Okay, guys, looking at the math for this one, 1 Gain detergent for $3.95. 2 of those softeners at $6.95 a pop, so that's $13.90. 1 Febreze Air Effect with the Gain Scent for $3. 1 Charmin Essential toilet paper for $4.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, you punch in your number. As the cashier scans the last item, that's when you'll present that $2 coupon. The cashier will smile and scan it. And then when he or she presses the pay button, 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20 come off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $7.80 for the 5 items. It shakes it out to $1.56 per product. Okay, so the final deal that we have again is with insert coupons. We're just limited with the digitals. We need these 2, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. Please make sure you have both of these loaded to participate. We're going to grab 3 Febreze Air Effects with the Gain Scent. So 3 of those, that's $9. We have this dollar digital coupon, so please make sure you have it loaded to participate. And then also from the August P&G, we have dollar coupons. So that's just $1 off, so you don't have to scan that in a funny way. It's just $1 off. You can present it at the end or at the beginning. It doesn't need to be scanned in a weird fashion. And then we're going to also grab 2 of these guys for $6.95, this fabric softener. We have this $2 coupon. This is from the July P&G, along with this $2 digital. So 1 paper, 1 digital, 1 of each. And then we're also going to grab 1 Gain detergent product, so for $3.95. And then we need this $2 digital loaded. So make sure to scan. Make sure that you're grabbing the right stuff. Okay, looking at the math for this one, 1 Gain detergent at $3.95. 2 of the fabric softeners at $6.95, that's $13.90, and then 3 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain Scent at $3 a pop. 3 times 3 is 9. That's a total of $26.85. As the cashier's scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number. You'll present 1 $2 coupon for the fabric softener, and then $2 ones from the August P&G for those Air Effects. And then the cashier will press the pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 will come off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $7.85 for the 6 products, shaking it out to $1.30 per product. What an exciting week, guys. I cannot wait for Saturday for this to start because it is going to be like Gain Saturday. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.